Preheat the oven to 350, and then you make the box cake. Read off the instructions on the cake box.
1 cup water.
Third a cup vegetable oil, but that goes in there. And then can you crack those 3 eggs?
Yeah.
Let's do it. Ooh.
Pro.
After that comes out, you let the cake cool.
Punch holes in the cake.
You poke the cake.
That's right.
We will put this cake to the side and start the toppings. In a saucepan over medium heat, we're going to melt the unsalted butter, add the brown sugar, the heavy cream, vanilla, a pinch of salt. Kind of crystallizes around the edges. Take this off the heat. You pour the sweetened condensed milk, the caramel, fresh pecans.
Most important part. Chop, chop. There you go. Look at that.
And you put the Cool Whip on top, fresh pecans, butter pecan cookies on top, and then you drizzle the caramel. Then you have a very beautiful, what is it called? Butter pecan praline poke cake.
Yes, honey. Cheers.
Cheers, cheers.
My new-
It's delightful.